So hi! Welcome and welcome back sa my YouTube channel, and for today's tutorial, ituturo ko sa inyo kung paano nga ba mag-story ng photo collage slideshow sa ating Instagram. But first, subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you for my new updates. And if you want to learn more, just keep on watching and let's start. So ayan guys, for today's video, i-open lang natin ang ating Instagram app or yung ating Instagram account. And make sure guys na updated yung Instagram app na gagamitin natin. So, open lang natin yung ating Instagram. And then, mula dito sa pinakang newsfeed or homepage guys, itap nyo lang yung your story para makapag-add tayo ng story. And dito guys, ipapakita ko sa inyo yung collage na slideshow. So, ayan guys, pagka-open, kung makikita nyo guys, meron ditong collage dito sa taas. So, bago lang tong update ni Instagram. So, tap nyo yung collage. And pagka-tap nyo guys, pumili kayo ng mga photo na gusto nyong i-add sa inyong collage slideshow. So, for example is ito guys. And then, after nyo makapag-add ng 5 photos, itap nyo lang yung next. And wait nyo lang kasi nag-create na yung ating collage. So, ayan guys, ganyan yung lalabas sa ating Instagram story. Once na ganito yung ginamit natin, yung collage features na slideshow dito sa Instagram. So, pwede din naman guys, hindi siya naka-cut out. Pwede nyo piliin itong button na to para buo pa rin yung pag-slideshow niya. Pero kung gusto nyo naka-cut out, tap nyo lang itong gunting na button or yung sister button. And ayan guys, medyo naka-cut out siya. So, ayun lang guys, ganun lang kasimple kung paano nga ba mag-story ng photo collage slideshow sa ating Instagram. If you have a question, can you comment down below and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you for new updates. And thank you for watching!
Living life, every day, late at night, not okay.